Hey third graders! Today we're going to be finding the author's point of view and using text evidence to prove it. So I have two questions here that I'm going to have to find the answer for. What is the author's point of view of the Mexican food? And what is the author's point of view of the Mission District? Okay, so I've already read through this article once, and now I'm going to go back, and the first question I want to find the answer to is their point of view of Mexican food. So I'm going to scan, this is a key word here that I put in purple. I'm going to scan and find the sentence that has it and read it. In the streets, the rich scent of Mexican food fills the air. All right, let me go ahead and underline that. Okay, rich scent, so it smells really good. Let me see if there's anything else in here. Restaurants serve traditional tamales and tacos. Those are examples of the food. Bakers and grocers offer tasty Mexican treats. Ooh, I see an adjective here. And I think that's way stronger than just like a rich scent. If something is tasty, and even if I call something treat versus food, it means that I really enjoy it. Okay, so the author's point of view is that it is delicious. They enjoy it. They call Mexican food a tasty treat, right? And treats and tasty means that it's a good thing. Okay, so there's my text evidence, and then I kind of just rephrased it here. Let me reread it. It's delicious, they enjoy it. Perfect. I incorporated my text evidence into my answer. I have it underlined here, and I told the author's point of view. So now I'm ready for the next question. What is the author's point of view of the Mission District? So this is a key word, and it's going to appear a lot of times, like I'm seeing it here in the first paragraph 2 times already. But just like I found Mexican food and there was an adjective or a strong word right before it, and same here, I'm going to look and see. There's Mission District, but no strong words. Mission District, no strong words. It's just about playing soccer. Now let's look at this last one. The Mission District is a thriving community. So there's not something before, but there's something after. Okay, so let me go ahead and underline that. And home to people proud of their roots. Okay, so let me think. When I think about this word here, thriving, it means like there's a lot going on. It's the community is prosperous. They have a lot of money. So that's a good thing usually. Thriving means like there's a lot going on. There's things to do. And like this paragraph was talking about like all the neat things you could do in the park, what people do, artwork. That is a lot of stuff going on. And I see that strong word there. So the author's point of view is that the Mission District is a thriving community. Is that the Mission District has a lot of cool activities. They call it thriving. Oops, let me make sure I spelled that right. All right, so when we're looking for point of view, what I did here was I looked for keywords and I looked for strong words describing it. Sometimes those words come before and sometimes those words come after. And then I thought about what those words meant and whether it was a good thing or a bad thing. And that is how I came up with the author's point of view. All right, time for some practice.